Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is Kiran here. Welcome to my channel Create with Kiran. Today we will be making this mandala painting on canvas using acrylic cone and glass color. So this is going to be a big and beautiful painting. Though it has vibrant colors with Lord Jagannath portrait on the center, this will give your room an Indian touch. So while making this, we are going to discuss so many important things and tips. So be with me, and without any further delay, let's get started. So this is our canvas, which is 3 feet in size, 92 centimeter approximately. You can buy this from any art shop or from online. Purchase links are in the description box. For small projects, you can take printout of any mandala art from the internet and trace that on the canvas. Okay, so I have already made my design here. If you want to make this exact design, I'll upload images on Instagram. You can check from there. And while making this type of symmetric design, you need to follow some steps. So first you need to choose the center and draw the circle. Then draw lines from the center round circle in 1 centimeter gaps. After that you can start to make your design. Okay, those lines will be your guidelines. Now we will trace our design on the canvas. Before tracing it, stick the paper with the tape properly so it doesn't slip while you are tracing. I'm using blue carbon paper here. If you have yellow one, that would be better. So our tracing is complete, but sometimes we miss some parts to trace. That's okay. You can redraw with the pencil. Now for lining, we need to make our cone ready. So to make cone, I'm taking gold acrylic color, plastic sheets. This is normal plastic which comes with packaged groceries. These are really strong. You can use this, or if you have cellophane paper, that will also work. Apart from that, we need scissor and tape. To make the cone, first cut the plastic in square shape. Now start rolling from middle of any side. Use your thumb finger as a guide and roll it tightly. Secure the end with tape properly. If your plastic is not strong, you need to cut the tip, but ours is strong enough, so we don't need to cut because naturally we will get a hole to pass the color. Now fill the colors little by little and tap like this to avoid air bubbles. While pouring, you see the color is leaking from the bottom. That's good, because we need the air pass through the tip while tapping. After filling the color, we need to close that with the tape like this. Our cone is ready to use now, but if you have this type of empty tubes which normally comes with 3D cone or glass color, you can use them. Just one thing you keep in mind, that tube should be cleaned properly. Okay. Now we will start lining from the center. Mandala art is also called stress relief art. This is not an any art. This is both symbolic and therapeutic. You can start with a small painting. Believe me, when you finish the painting, you will feel so relaxed. So our lining is all done. To fill the colors, we will use glass color today. If you want to use acrylic color, go ahead. Both way the painting will look good. This is one painting where I had used acrylic color. You can see this is also so beautiful. And in this painting I had used glass color. You can see the difference. This is so shiny and smooth. You hardly can feel the texture of canvas. Here is the one difference. If you are making acrylic mandala, you need to color first, then finish with lining. But here in the glass color mandala, you need to do first lining, then fill the color. Today we are going to use this Fevicryl glass color, which comes with 10 shades, and this is water based. If you want your color permanent, you can use solvent based glass color. Some shades in glass color require double coat like black, brown, yellow. So whenever you are giving second coat, wait for first coat, get dried properly. I personally like to work with the glass color because we hardly need any brush. Like with acrylic color, you need to wash your brush, you need to change your brush. But with it, you just need the tip of the tube. Also, this is less time consuming than the acrylic color because in mandala art, we normally use so thin lines, and for that we need to use lining brush or thin round brush to fill the color, which takes more time. But one good thing with acrylic color is you will get so many color options. To fill golden color, I'm not using any brush. I'm still using the cone or tube because with brush, the color will look little lighter. You need to give double coat, but with the tube, you will get enough color. Sprayed, no need to give double coat. Also, you will get a texture. Mandala paintings are also used to keep natural flow of energy in your home. So you can place this type of handmade mandala with wooden frame anywhere in your home, especially in the entry area, in the foyer area, and on the wall near the bed. In this video, I have tried to clear so many things. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can write on the comment box. I'll make sure to give you reply. To make dots, I'm not using any dotting tool. I'm just using the tube. For bigger dot, squeeze little bit, and for smaller dot, you don't need to squeeze. The color will come out automatically. So this is the end result. Please write on the comment box how it looks. And yes, if you like my videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications of my next videos. So see you soon with a beautiful video. Till then, bye bye. Stay blessed, stay happy.